Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the no sound or low volume issue on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus smartphone. So first of all, let's check the speaker grills that are located at the bottom of our smartphone. You can use the flashlight to check them, their insides from the outside, and make sure that they are not clogged up with some dust and debris. And if they are, you can use a soft brush to clean them up. Do not use any metallic tools. Better get yourself, I'm not sure, maybe an old toothbrush that you don't use anymore, and try to carefully clean the dust inside the speaker grills. And if it's not gonna resolve your issue, then let's make sure that the sound volume is maxed out. Also, if you tap this three-dot icon, you'll be able to open the sound mixer, where you'll be able to make sure whether the sound is actually maxed out for your specific media type. And if the issue is still there, swipe down the control center on your smartphone and disable Bluetooth to outrule the possibility that your Bluetooth device gets your smartphone sound outruled, and it gets outsourced there. And if it's also not resolving the issue, let's open settings, and in settings let's check sound and vibration. Now first of all, make sure that do not disturb mode isn't turned on. Then, after checking our sound mixer and volumes, we can scroll down to sound and vibration and open DTS Sound. If your sound volume is low, you can use either the smart mode, which will automatically detect your sound source, and also disable the Equalizer. And if you want to use any specific preset, go to its settings and make sure to simply try to switch settings for your preset, because some presets might actually make your speakers sound quieter. But generally speaking, I recommend just switching to smart and disabling your Equalizer, and this should give you the normal sound settings. Lastly, try force restarting your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time for about 10 seconds until the screen of your device goes completely dark. Then just wait until your phone is restarted, and after that your issue should be gone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.